KIRIA vendi atavarira ya uvandi wa miti ya matunda 600 thukuru wa muthingi wa Rukira gicigori bunge kia Manyata. CEO wa ruvongero wa Mama Doing Good ruria rutongoragwo ni mutumia wa mutongoria wa BURURI RACHAEL RUTO John Chumo agweta muoroto wone kuthomithia RUTO milioni 17 bata wa uvandi na umenyereri wa miti vai kuvurana na maruru ma gucenjia kwa riera. Ngwatanĩro yao na Mathukuru ni gukinyanithiria muoroto wao kuvanda miti nuthu bilioni netanyara kugwata mbaru kioneki kia President William Ruto ya kuvanda miti bilioni 15 igikinyagia mwaka wa 2032.
We plant 15 billion trees that His Excellency the President has actually told us to do, and you have seen him very much committed, and that is why as Mama Doing Good we are committed to ensure that we plant 500 million in the next 10 years as per the current strategy that has been put forward. And now what are we doing? We are using schools, we are using churches, we are using mosques, we are using all the arrangements that we have.
Athina mbere na gutariria ni magokoro magikwatanira na ruvongero wa mathomo niguo gukana mitaratara gutavania macindano mamenyereri wa maria maturigiciritie gatagati ka Mathukuru kwambiriria mwaka riukite niguo aruta mavote gukumbatiria umenyereri wa miti.
Just like the way you have music festival, the way you have football and ball games, the way you have drama, we are going to have now a Masingara Award within your calendar in the school program, and it's starting from next year. And once we do that, then we have all these children participating, and they will participate from primary school, they go to the sub-county, to the county, regional, and finally they reach national.
Na gavana wa Embu Mbarire kuvitukira ndumiriri yake rithomerwo ni munini wake Kinyua Mugwa rutarite na kuyagwatia itemi amare maturigiciritie kugwatanira na mbeu nini magecire kivonia kia mathina makugaruruka kwa riera.
In the contemporary world, all well-known climate change activists are young people. But it is also important that those of us belonging to the older generations join in activism and support responsible climate action. This has the potential to improve trust and enhance effective collaboration.
Na wagwatitemi aria engia maria maturigiciritie matongoretwo ni Yasmin Kansus kuma vururi rwa Take meranira kuruta uteithio makiria kwi mathukuru ma kaunti ya Embu na Meru vurenginya kavinda gaka mathukuru 49 ni mateithĩtio na miti ya matunda 22,800 na 800.
This agronomy program that we are offering and is available. We have agronomists, we have a whole team that we have invested in and made available to support in the way of knowledge, in the way of training, in the way of mentorship and monitoring how that tree is growing day by day.
Vandore Vakameme TV ni mwena wa Rukira, kaunti ya Embu, ni Bita Dennis Fundi.